Hey guys, thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be working on a scrapbook layout for these birthday pictures that were from last year. This is the birthdays for my husband and my daughter, and although they're not born on the same day, we decided to celebrate it um, together on a different day because of either school or actually school, because my daughter's birthday just fell on like a weekday. So we celebrated the weekend and we celebrated them together. They're only a day apart. And this layout, you guys, just straight up being honest, was a total frustration. um, because I didn't want to sacrifice the cake that's on the actual paper, and I didn't want to sacrifice the 6x8 picture of my daughter. But as I'm looking at it back now, while I do the voiceover, I had enough room to sacrifice about an inch from half an inch from the bottom and half an inch from the top. And I wanted to put these two pictures because I wanted it to be known that it was like we celebrated it on the same day. So they're both equally important, and that's why I wanted to add the one where my husband and my daughter are together. But I don't know what was I thinking. Because I definitely could have cut that picture smaller. So anyways, you guys are gonna see me struggle really bad with this layout. I actually eventually ended up just walking away, and I didn't work on it until the following day. And actually you guys are not even gonna see the final look, or how I ended up putting it together, because like I said, I walked away. At the end of this video, you will see the final look in the pocket pages, that the overview basically towards the end of the video. And I'll put the timestamp now so that if you guys just want to skip to that, that's perfectly okay. But yeah, this was a frustration. I didn't tell you guys because I was just kind of going on with the story, but the very first background paper that I used was a spotted paper that was given to me by my friend Susan on our 12 by 12 page swap that we did, or not page but paper swap that we did. And it simulated the sprinkles on the cake. That's what I was going for. Don't know. Don't know if that's what it turned out to be, but yeah, those were my intent. So here, you guys, again, just being frustrated because I couldn't work around that cake. And no matter how I moved it, somehow I didn't like the space between the candle and the smaller picture. So I honestly feel like I could have just trimmed Adriana's picture a little bit down. At this point, I'm like, okay, let's try to work with it, figure something out. Let me start adding stickers here and there. And these are just leftover birthday stickers that I had on a 12 by 12 sheet. I don't know the name of the collection. This is just an older one that I've had for a while, and it was time to utilize it and get these pictures done. Gonna move the tag to the smaller picture, and eventually I end up using the smaller picture for the pocket page. So still, I know, right? We all struggle with this. I know I'm not the only one that sometimes like just things don't want to work out, and you just gotta push through it. So here again, you guys, just moving it around, trying to figure out where it is that I want it. Eventually I end up giving up, and I'm gonna put that to the side. Gonna continue to add these little cutout balloons, and I started hearing everything because at this point I decided that enough was enough. I had spent way too much time on one layout for one picture. So like I said, you guys are probably not gonna see the final one and towards the end of the video, because I feel like at this point I'm ready to walk away. Do I walk away right now? No, but shortly I start to just walk away. And here, last minute, a hope or a chance, this damn cake, you guys. Honestly, now I'm kind of kicking myself in the butt because I definitely could have gone and cut out Adriana's picture a little bit smaller, and maybe I could have put them on top of each other. But I'm gonna add a few more accents, and then you guys are really in a few seconds about to see the final look. So wanted to still share this layout, you guys, because sometimes it is what it is. It doesn't work out the way we wanted to, but regardless, I hope that you found something useful of this video. I just wanted to share, if anything, not everything comes easy, and sometimes it doesn't, and we just kind of have to adjust. So right here is where I walk away, and then you guys are about to see the final look. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you, this is my album for 2018, and here are just a few layouts I've been working on, but I am done. Here is what our final page looks like. I will show you the other ones in a little bit, but this one just says sweetheart happy day. Obviously it's in Spanish, and at first I was gonna put a combined picture of this one, but I didn't want to cover this cake right here, so I kind of had to adjust and just make it about her with this picture. I also have my page like backwards, and that's because I am obviously going to create a layout here in this space and cover up the back of these page. Well, this is the back and this is the front of this page, so that I have like a continuous flow of pages. So here's like the main focus, and then you guys already know how I'd like to do these. Here is the one of the pocket pages, and oh, this one's gonna be the first one, so I guess I should show you this one. Here is the second one, what it looks like, and how I just added some of my little chicken scratch for journaling, and then the back of this page, because I am so backed up on pictures. I've decided that to make this process go a lot faster, I'm not taking the time to cut out the pictures and put decorative paper as much as I was doing that last year. So I think that's like something that I'm just gonna do from now on, so that I could get caught up like a lot sooner. Here is the back of the first pocket page, and then here is the front. So as you can see, if I've only put like decorative paper behind this one and this one, and then the rest are just pictures that are just slid into pockets. I've tried to decorate with a few enamel dots. I've also added a few of these hearts. Let's see, like here and there, there's a little heart there, and here's a heart there, and I've here as well. So just simple things, honestly, using more of just my cards to get this done faster. And if you're new to my channel, you probably don't know, but I am like years behind, and I've been trying to catch up on my scrapbooking. So I feel like this is going to move hopefully a lot sooner. I mean, a lot faster for me. But anyways, that's going to be our page layout for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you on the next time. Have a good one. Bye.